Hi, this is Cici from China. We are now delivering our 30 cubic meter per hour mobile configuration plan. This plan has an integrated design, combining aggregate storage, cleaning, conveying, mixing, and control systems all in one. Fitted with weld supports, talking, and mobile mounting devices, it connects and disconnects with tractors quickly, making relocation and towing super convenient. It supports fully automatic concrete production with operational procedures and maintenance exactly the same as stationary batching plants. It also has great advantages: easy disassembly, compact footprint, convenient mobility, and lower infrastructural costs. Perfect for highway, bridge, port, hydropower, and other ancillary projects. Fangyuan's mobile batching plants are stepping onto the international stage. With superior quality and user-friendly operation, they will stand out in global engineering projects and win more customers' recognition. Alright, this is easy sign off, no matter where you're watching. Hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you, and see you next time.